On the outside is the factory Cushman 7 3/4 inch rim, and on the inside, that's on my palm, is an actual 8-inch rim. They both fit for a Cushman hub. Pretty neat. So I can use 8-inch tires on it. So yeah, I got done with the front end. I got new neck bushings in there. It's a little bit tighter, so it doesn't go going down the road as much anymore. Still kind of does, but I think it's more catering over to this guy now. The little knuckles right here and here, those are all loose and sloppy. Once you put the axle in, it tightens up a little bit. That is a 8-inch rim now, and it fits a lot better on that tire. I still have to get, there's some screws that are missing in it. Probably can see one, yeah, right there. So I only got 4. Those 7 3/4 were only a 4-bolt pattern. These are a 6-bolt pattern. I am not in urgent need of putting some bolts and nuts on that right at the moment. Just going out for a little ride, see how it's doing. I've missed the spike. I haven't rode it in like 2 weeks. Took the whole hub apart. I did not replace the bearings. I just cleaned them up as best as I can with gasoline, and then just repacked it and put it back in. One of the locking nuts that was on that. You got this one. It's the closest, and it's got a bushing on the back of it that presses against the bearings. That one was fine, but there was one that was in front of that kind of locks it to keep it from, backing out. That one was stripped, so I had to get a new one. Other than that, it was pretty smooth sailing process of getting this thing going again.